Hi, first grade, and happy Friday. It is Friday, which means it is time for our spelling test, which gives us a chance to review our sight words of the week and our digraph of this week, TH. So, if you're watching this video, that tells me that your paper is ready to go. It's numbered 1 to 11. Your name is at the top, and we are ready to go. So, what I want you to do before we get started, take a nice deep breath in, hold it, let it out. Take a deep breath in, hold it, let it out. One more. Take a deep breath in, hold it, let it out. Okay, friends. Miss Rudolph just wants you to try your best. If you're having trouble with a word, please, please, please just do your best to sound it out. Mom, Dad, whoever's at home helping you, they can help you with the video, pressing play and pause after each word, but they can't help you spell the word or tell you how to write it. So we want to see what you know. So do the best you can. That's all I want is you to try your best. All right, let's get started. Number 1, their. Their book is on the table. There. There. Number 2, if. If you are good, you will get a prize out of the prize box. If. If. Number 3, will. Will you help me go to the store? Will. Will. Number 4, up. Up. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. Up. Up. You're doing great. Number 5, other. The other day I played outside. Other. Other. Number 6, the. The cat is on her cat bed. The. The. Number 7, they. They love to eat pizza. They. They. Number 8, think. Please think about your answer before you raise your hand. Think. Think. Number 9, thumb. Thumb. My thumb is hurting. Thumb. Thumb. Number 10, throw. I like to throw the football with my brother. Throw. Throw. All right, friends, you did it. Give yourself a big squeeze. If you missed any of those words, please feel free to watch the video again, but I'm going to review the words and then explain number 11. So number 1 is there. Number 2 is if. Number 3 is will. Number 4 is up. Number 5 is other. Number 6 is the. Number 7 is they. Number 8 is think. Number 9 is thumb. Number 10 is throw. Okay, friends, you did it. So now for number 11. Some of my friends are still not following this direction. So please listen. Put your listening ears on. For number 11, you are going to pick one of those words that we just wrote down. You're going to pick words, one word, 1 through 10. Just pick one of them. Then you're going to think, think, think. Put that thinking cap on, and you're going to make a complete sentence using that one word that you chose from the list that we just wrote down. I want to remind you what a good sentence needs. We've been practicing this all year, so there's 4 main things that we're learning that a good sentence needs. So don't forget those when you're writing a sentence. After you have 1 through 11 filled in, please take a picture of your work and post it to Seesaw. Give yourself 5 pats on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job today. I'll see you guys later.